What is used to detect Alkyne-1? Which one of the following is used to detect Alkyne-1? Let us see the matter. Which one is used to detect Alkyne-1? First of all, let us see Alkyne-1. Let us suppose this is Alkyne-1, in which this triple bonded carbon is sp hybridized. That is, when the carbon is sp3 hybridized, then the orbital is bigger in size, and with this orbital hydrogen. When this carbon is sp2 hybridized, then this orbital is a bit smaller in size. This is s orbital of hydrogen. When the carbon is sp hybridized, then the hybrid orbital is smaller in size. Here, this is s orbital of hydrogen. That is, in case of sp hybridization, the covalently bonded electrons remain closer to the carbon nucleus. When the carbon is sp hybridized, then the orbital is smallest in size and electrons remain closer to the nucleus of the sp hybridized carbon, and in this case this electron is attracted by the carbon nucleus with a full force due to the short distance, and at one stage this hydrogen gets free as proton, and this carbon becomes positive in charge. Not positive in charge, this carbon becomes negative in charge, and in this way Alkyne-1 releases proton. That is, Alkyne-1 is acidic in nature. Alkyne-1, the triple bonded carbon is sp hybridized. As a result, covalently bonded electrons move towards sp hybridized carbon, and finally this hydrogen gets free as proton. That is, Alkyne-1 acidic in nature. Now, which one is used to detect Alkyne-1? Number 1, phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. This is a kind of Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide. General formula, Grignard reagent, which is treated with water to form benzene and magnesium hydroxy bromide. So this is not used to detect Alkyne-1. Number 2 is this zinc chloride HCl. This is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is used to prepare alkyl halide from alcohol. Grignard reagent, Lucas reagent, zinc chloride HCl. Here, hydroxyl group is replaced by chlorine. and water is formed. This reaction is a kind of reversible reaction, but here zinc chloride acts as dehydrating agent. Zinc chloride absorbs water, and as a result, this reaction goes only forward direction. So, this Lucas reagent is used to produce alkyl halide from alcohol. So, this is not used to detect Alkyne-1. Then C. Bromine water or bromine in carbon tetrachloride. Actually, both the reagents are used to detect carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. That is, both the reagents are used to detect unsaturation. But this is more reactive than this one. Bromine in water reacts with other functional groups besides unsaturation. But bromine in carbon tetrachloride is used to detect carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. That is, bromine in carbon tetrachloride is used to detect unsaturation. Bromine in water and bromine in carbon tetrachloride is used to detect unsaturation, but not to detect Alkyne-1. Then D, that is ammoniacal cuprous chloride, diamino copper 1 chloride. This is used to detect Alkyne-1. Let us consider this is Alkyne-1. Actually, Alkyne-1 is detected by three ways. First of all, sodium in liquid ammonia. Sodium replaces this hydrogen and this is formed minus sodium plus. Hydrogen gas is formed. This is sodium alkynide. Hydrogen gas is detected when it is burnt in oxygen, then pop sound is obtained. This pop sound proves that this is acidic in nature. That is, this is Alkyne-1. Because Alkyne-1 in acidic in nature. Number 2, this reagent, ammoniacal silver nitrate. Diamine silver 1 nitrate can be used to detect Alkyne-1. Here, silver replaces this hydrogen to form this one minus silver plus silver alkynide, which deposits as white precipitate. This white precipitate of silver alkynide proves the presence of Alkyne-1, which is acidic in nature. Here, byproducts are ammonium nitrate and ammonia gas. Another way, ammoniacal cuprous chloride, diamine copper 1 chloride, which is ammoniacal cuprous chloride. This reagent, copper replaces this hydrogen to form this one minus copper plus. This is copper alkynide, which deposits as red precipitate. This red precipitate of copper alkynide proves the presence of Alkyne-1, that is acidic in nature. Here byproducts are ammonium chloride and ammonia gas. That is, this one is used to detect Alkyne-1, which is acidic in nature. Thank you for watching.